In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on the Facebook Marketplace with ease and efficiency. Whether you're decluttering your home or looking to earn some extra cash, Facebook Marketplace can be a fantastic platform to showcase your items for sale. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to go to Google and type in Facebook Marketplace. It's always a good idea to start from the search engine to ensure you're navigating to the correct page. Once the search results pop up, click on the link that says Facebook Marketplace. This will take you directly to the marketplace on Facebook. Once you're there, you'll notice a button labeled Marketplace on the Facebook menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you into the main hub where all the buying and selling happens. If you're on a desktop or using the app, it should be fairly straightforward to locate. Now, we're looking to add a new listing. You'll find an option that reads Create New Listing. Click on it. This options menu will enable you to start the process of listing your item. After clicking Create New Listing, you'll see different types of listings you can create. For our example, we're dealing with general items, so you'll want to select Item for Sale. Click on this category to proceed with your new item display. Next, it's time to add some visual appeal. You'll see an option to add photos. Click on it, and from your device, select high-quality images of the item you're selling. Good lighting and multiple angles can significantly boost your item's attractiveness and help it sell faster. Now that you've uploaded your pictures, it's crucial to provide detailed information about your item. You'll notice areas where you can type in highlights about your item. This includes a descriptive title and a brief paragraph detailing what you're selling, what makes it unique, and any specifications potential buyers should know. Once your highlights are in place, you'll also be required to select a category. Click on the drop-down and select Miscellaneous if your item doesn't fit other standard categories. With that complete, you might also have the option to mark the condition of the item. You'll find various conditions to choose from. Click on New if your item is brand new, or choose the condition that best describes your item. Almost done. Now hit the Next button. This will allow you to review all the entered information for accuracy and completion, ensure everything looks good, and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your listing looks, it's time to make it live by clicking Publish. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on creating your first Facebook Marketplace listing. Remember, clear and honest descriptions alongside good photos are key to attracting buyers. Happy selling!